Mutangathi wengumo bururi-ini wa Kenya uria utangathaga na TV ya Inoro uria witagwo Wambui wa Muturi no uria uikaine gukurehera gicunji kia ndagitari ku Inoro TV riu ni arikitie kwiyumiria ng'enda-ini cia ukinyaniria na gukorwo akianika thu imwe yake iria ikoragwo ikimuthira muturire-ini na gukorwo ikimufangira njama. Itanakomethia maingi no ngoria na gitio ndinyihitie muno tuike wa subscribe, like, comment and ndukariganirwo kuhitika notification bell ugakoragwo wi wa mbere kwamukira mwago wa mugikuyu. Wambui wa Muturi uria ni mutangathi na Inoro TV uria ukurehagira gicunji kia ndagitari riu ni arikitie kuyumiria ng'enda-ini cia ukinyaniria na ni kugerera page-ini yake ya Facebook haria arakorwo akianika thu imwe yake iria ikoragwo mufangira njama muturire-ini wake. Na nigukorwo ngikuotu Wambui uria ayumiria na kuga, I have an evening testimony. One person who is my intuition has been feeling off lately has just called me to apologize, telling me what the three of them have been doing behind my scenes without my knowledge by influencing each other badly about me. He has just called me and told me he couldn't sleep for the last 2 weeks because God kept on appearing to him and asking him why he would afford to be in a company of my betrayer, cause the rest are two ladies, yet I have previously been very much there for him. He began crying in the middle of our conversation and told me to pray for him and forgive him. I told him to let God take control since he is the one who commanded him to repent, was even confessing how he kept on being judged by evening watching my TV show Dagitari, and was commanded to apologize before tomorrow's Sunday service that he should not attend the church with a hypocritical heart and spirit. My dears, I have cried a river reasons. Never doubt your intuition. Keep off the people God tells you to keep off completely. He knows why. When you are burst working for God and serving his people, he will be busy working for you behind the scenes. Never think that the Lord cannot command people on your behalf. It's only that they do not obey. From now on, let God take over your battles as they plan be in God's shamba. Don't bother, he shall paralyze their plans on your behalf. God is so just, hakuna litakaropangwa nyuma yako ambalo hatachukua muda kukupigania. I worship you God, mwathani reke tuturanie tene Ngai. Ucio ni Wambui wa Muturi uria warikia kwiyumiria page-ini yake ya Facebook na gukorwo akiandika ciugo ici iria thu ciake cirathie na mbere kumufangira muturire-ini wake. Guku kwa Africa na CN mwago wa mugikuyu tuguthie na mbere kuhoera Wambui wa Muturi, Ngai amugitire muturire-ini. Guku ni kwa Africa na CN mwago wa mugikuyu. Subscribe.